Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa with tomato sauce. Start by tasting the sauce, then add chopped onion, minced garlic, and jalapeno for heat. Stir in lime juice and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Fold in chopped cilantro and season with salt and black pepper. Let the salsa rest to meld flavors, then serve chilled with chips or atop tacos for a quick, tasty boost. In this video, I will show how to make salsa with tomato sauce. Measure tomato sauce and place it in a bowl, then finely chop onion, garlic, and jalapeno and add them in. Squeeze in fresh lime juice and stir to combine, then sprinkle in salt and mix thoroughly. Fold in chopped cilantro at the end so it stays bright. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill before serving for best flavor. In this video, I will show how to make salsa with tomato sauce. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money and my snack budget, so I thought I would share it here. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make salsa with tomato sauce. If you want a smoother finish, pulse ingredients in a food processor for brief bursts and avoid overprocessing. Always taste as you go and add lime or salt gradually, since small changes shift flavor significantly. If the sauce tastes flat, a pinch of sugar can brighten it. Let the salsa rest briefly to marry flavors before serving with chips or eggs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.